Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Inspiring Art Linkings. Welcome back to our doll sketches series where we embark on every aspect of doll design. Today we are turning our attention to the backside of doll sketches. Grab your sketchbook and let's dive into this often overlooked aspect of doll illustration. Start by outlining the general shapes of the doll's back. Pay attention to the proportion and ensure symmetry for a realistic representation. Next, sketches in the details of the spine and shoulder blades. Consider the curvature of the spine and how it affects the overall posture of the doll. Now let's add in the clothing or costume details for the backside. Sketches out the folds and wrinkles of the fabric as it wraps over the doll's body. Don't forget to include any straps, ties, or fastening that may be visible from the back. Adding texture to the clothing can make the sketches more dynamic and lifelike. Take your time to capture the subtleties of the fabric's movement. Now let's focus on the hair or hairstyle from the back view. Sketch in the general shape of the hair and any distinct feature such as bun or ponytail. Consider how the hairstyle complements the overall silhouette of the doll. Add in details like strands of hair or wisps to get the sketch depth and realism. You may need to adjust the positioning of the clothing to ensure a natural looking fit. Use shading to create depth and dimensions in your sketch. Consider the light direction of the light source and how it affects the shadows on the backside of the doll. Experiment with different shading techniques to achieve the desired effect. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more sketching tutorials.